Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to reduce image transparency in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and open an image. We can see here a Apple image. You want to reduce the transparency of this image. At first, open the layer. Now I am go to the window menu and enable the layer option. We can see here already enable this. Now I am go to the layer option and select this layer. We can see here the image layer. Now we want to reduce the opacity or transparency. Select this opacity option. You can reduce this manually, otherwise you can reduce this automatically. Select this transparency number and make this transparent. Now I am make 15, then press enter. Now we can see we reduce the image transparency very easily. You can increase this, otherwise decrease this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.